Namaste bachcho, welcome back to Rama Teaches You. Today we are going to do the solutions. We are going to solve the test paper for power play. That is class 8th power play test that I took day before yesterday. We are going to solve it and we are going to figure out what the answers for each of the following questions are. Okay, shall we start? Okay. Hmm. Okay. So, first question. It is 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power of 0. What is 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power of 0 plus 5 to the power of 0? Huh? Yeah, because anything to the power 0 is 1. Therefore, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Clear? Next one. The planet Mars is approximately 22 to basically number 2. It is basically 22 comma 80 comma 00 comma 000 kilometers away from the sun. Okay, what is the distance in the standard form? What is the distance in what is the distance in standard form? So standard form will be 1 point something something or 2 point something something into 10 to the power something something. So you have 22800000, right? So that decimal is right here now. So when you bring the decimal here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll have 2.28 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the power of 8. 10 to the power of 8 kilometers. Okay, this is also fine. Next question. Find the value of minus 2. Open your text. Open your test so that you can see what was happening. Minus 2 the whole cubed multiplied by, you can see where you made the mistake, multiplied by minus 2 the whole to the power of minus 5. Okay, so minus 2 the whole cube becomes what, read? Just leave it like that for a second. So we know that a to the power x multiplied by a to the power of y is equal to what? A to the power of x plus y. So you will get what? Minus 2 the whole to the power of 3. 3 plus minus 5 is equal to what? Minus 2 the whole to the power of minus 2. 3 in 3 plus minus 2 is how much? Minus 2. Minus 2 the whole to the power of minus 2. Right? Or minus, sorry, or 1 upon minus 2 the whole to the power of 2. Right? Is equal to what? 1 upon minus 2 the whole square is how much? Answer. Clear? Fourth question. You made a mistake there? Yeah. If 3 to the power of 2x is 81, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? How can I write 81 as 81 is equal to 3 to the power of 4, right? So 3 to the power x, 2x should be equal to 3 to the power of 4, right? Therefore, 2x should be equal to 4, or x should be equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. Clear? Next one. Simplify the expression. Simplify the expression p to the power of 5 multiplied by q to the power of 6 upon p square multiplied by q cubed. Okay, so this will become what? P to the power of 5 upon P to the power of 2 multiplied by Q to the power of 6 upon Q to the power of 3. What will you get here? What is P to the power 5 upon P to the power of 2? P to the power of 5 minus 2 multiplied by Q to the power of 6 minus 3. So P to the power of Q to the power of what? 3. Yeah. Is equal to PQ the whole to the power of 3. That's the answer. So answer is A. Clear? The answer is A. P cubed Q cubed. Got it where you made the mistake? Answer is A. P cubed Q cubed. Did you make it's correct. I don't know if it's correct or not. My dad actually corrected the paper, right? Okay. How many questions have you made a mistake till now? Two. Okay, fine. Next question. Sixth one. A virus's DNA is 0.000000021 meters long. Okay. In scientific notation, the length is how much? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2.1 into how much? 10 to the power of minus 8 meters. Then it is going to the right, it's minus 8. 8 क्या ना तुमने? Wait, hold on, let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, my mistake. I skipped this thing. It's 10 to the power minus 9. You are right. Seventh. Seventh में क्या है? A magic potion doubles its quantity every minute. If you start with a single drop, how many minutes will it take for the quantity to be 2 to the power of 15 drops? So every single time, every single minute, what is happening? You had a drop. In exactly 1 minute, what happened? It doubled. The next, what happened? It quadrupled, right? It became 4 times. So this is 2 to the power of 0, right? So in the initially you had how much? You had 2 to the power. A magic potion doubles. If you start with a single drop, that is you have 2 to the power of 0. 2 to the power 0, you have 1. So this will be 2 to the power of 1. In the first minute, you are having 2 to the power 1 drops. In the second minute, you are having 2 to the power 2 drops. In the third minute, you are having 2 to the power of 3 drops. Can you see a pattern? So when will you have 2 to the power of 15 drops? In the first minute, you had 2 to the power 1 drop. 2 drops, that means. In the second minute, you had 2 to the power 2 drops. In the third minute, you had 2 to the power of 3 drops. In the fourth minute, you had 2 to the power of 4 drops. So in which minute you will have 2 to the power of 15 drops? 15th minute. 15th minute, exactly. In the 15th minute, the drop will become 2 to the power of 15. Understood the logic? How you get it? Huh? Clear? So in the 15th minute, the drop will become 2 to the power of 15. Am I right? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Did you understand कैसे किया? So you started with 2 to the power of 0. 2 to the power of 0 is the starting. In the first minute, it became 2 to the power of 1. That is 2 drops. You started with 1 drop, that means 2 to the power of 0. If you had started with 2 drops, then it would have become 2 to the power of 1. So in the second minute, you would have gotten 2 to the power of 2. Clear? आगे बढ़ते हैं. 8. Which of the following is the equivalence of 5 to the power of 100? 5 to the power of 100. Now, the first option that they have given is as is 5 into 10, the 5 raised to the power 10, the whole to the power of 9. So what do you get? 5 to the power of 90. Okay? You are getting 5 to the power of 90. The second option is what? 5 to the power of 20 the whole to the power of 5. What you are getting? 5 to the power of 100. This is correct. Now, see, 5 to the power 10 the whole to the power of 100 is how much? This is also wrong. This is also wrong. And D, he is asking you 5 to the power of 5 the whole to the power of 10. What do you get? 5 to the power of 50. This is also wrong. Understood? Okay. The value of section B. Okay, no, wait. It is still section A, assertion reasoning. Okay. Question number 9. The value of minus 1 the whole to the power of 500 is 1. What do you think? Why? Exactly, true. So रीजन क्या दिया रखा है? ये है assertion, ये है तुम्हारा रीजन. ठीक है. Assertion ये था. रीजन क्या था? When a negative number is raised to an even power, the result is positive. The reason is correct also. So the reason is true. Both assertion and reasoning are true, and R is the correct explanation of the reason. So answer क्या हो जाएगा? A. अगला 10th one. The value of the value of 2 to the power of minus 3 is 1 upon 8. Reason: for any non-zero integer, for any non-zero integer n, n to the power of minus a is equal to 1 upon n to the power of a. Clear? So for any non-zero integer n, n to the power of minus a is equal to 1 upon n to the power of a. Correct? So 1 upon n to the power a आ रहा है हमारे पास. Okay. Now ये है तुम्हारा. So is this correct? Both assertion and reason and true, and R is the correct explanation of A. आंसर में है तुम्हारे पास ए. तुमने क्या लिखा है? ए लिखा है कि बी लिखा है? अभी तक कितना गलत हो गया? 10 क्वेश्चन में कितने गलत है? 10 क्वेश्चन में 3 गलत है. ओके फाइन. एक सेकंड रुको, जस्ट गोना चेक दिस आउट कि तुम्हारा वैसा ही हो रहा है कि नहीं. वेयर इज द फोन? या एक सेकंड रुको. चलो अगला क्वेश्चन. सेक्शन बी. सेक्शन बी. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ नंबर 1. सॉरी, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 है. ठीक है, नॉट नंबर 1. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ तुम्हारा नंबर 1. 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 6. इसको एक लाइन में लिखना कैसे सिखाया मैंने? 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 डिवाइड मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस से. गलत हो गया ना? इज इक्वल टू 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 is how much? 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 to the power 0 आया क्या तुम्हारा? सही है. इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? 1. वेरी गुड. अगला बी. सिंप्लीफाई. 1 by 2 the whole to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 3 the whole to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by 4 the whole to the power of minus 2. क्या हो जाएगा ये? माइनस टू माइनस टू माइनस टू. व्हाट डू यू डू? अभी करेंगे करेंगे. मैं गलती से स्किप हो गया, सॉरी से गलती से. सो दिस विल बिकम 1 by 2. इसका माइनस है तो रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे. 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2. 2 to the power 2 is 3 to the power 2 is 4 to the power 2 is 16. 64 लिखा है क्या तुमने? ओके, गलत हो गया, केयरलेस मिस्टेक। ठीक, यहीं से केयरलेस मिस्टेक निकल के आ रहा है तुम्हारे पास। 16 प्लस 9 इज 25 प्लस 4 इज 29। यहाँ पे केयरलेस मिस्टेक था तुम्हारा, ठीक है। अगला नंबर 2, 5 to the power of 8 divided by 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5 square। हाँ, 5 to the power of 8 divided by 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5 square। तो इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 5 to the power of 8 minus 3, डिवाइड मतलब माइनस ना, हाँ, multiplied by 5 square। तो 5 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 7। समझ में आ गया? सही है। ओके, अगला। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 तुम्हारा गलत हो गया, 2 नंबर तुमने खो दिए। अभी तक तुम 5 नंबर खो चुके हो, ठीक है। आगे बढ़ते हैं। 13th, so if 3 to the power of x is equal to 9 square multiplied by 27, find the value of x। it's a very easy question, देखो। ओके, नाउ 9 स्क्वायर को हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 3 टू द पावर ऑफ x, यहाँ पे 3 है, दैट इज द क्लू। 9 को क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? अरे 9 स्क्वायर को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? 9 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 9 को 3 की, सबको 3 की, 3 स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर करके लिख सकता हूं मैं इसे। और 27 को कैसे लिख सकता हूं मैं? अरे बाप रे बाप, रीड, 27 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? व्हाट इज 27? डोंट लुक एट द बुक। 27 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? व्हाट इज 27? 3 क्यूब्ड इज 27, रीड। 3 क्यूब्ड। सो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? तो दिस विल बिकम 3 टू द पावर 2 into 2 is what? 4 multiplied by 3 cubed is equal to 3 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 to the power 7 आ गया तुम्हारे पास। दिस इज 3 to the power 7। डन? गलत हो गया। अगला क्वेश्चन नंबर, यू लॉस्ट अगेन 2 मार्क्स, तो 17 7 मार्क्स यहाँ पे चला गया। 13, ठीक है, ना ये 13 है, सॉरी 14। अगला, सो अ कंट्रीज जीडीपी इज रुपीज, जीडीपी तुम्हें दे रखा हुआ है 3.5 into 10 to the power of 12। The population is, the population is 7 into 10 to the power of 8। What is the GDP per person? Very good question। ठीक है, express your answer in standard form। express answer in, what is GDP? Gross domestic product। So 3.5 into 10 to the power 12, okay, rupees is representing how much? 7 into 10 to the power of 8 people। So x is representing 1 person, right? If this much amount is representing this much number of people, then x will represent 1 person. What is the value of x? 3.5 into 10 to the power of 12 upon 7 into 10 to the power of 8। That's it, khatam। Can we write 3.5 into 10 to the power 12 as 35 into 10 to the power of 11? एक जीरो यहाँ पे दे दिया, अपॉन 7 into 10 to the power of 8। 7 5 35, 10 to the power 11 minus 10 to the power अपॉन 10 to the power 8 क्या हो जाएगा? 5 into 3। 11 minus 8। calm yourself down, read, calm yourself down, उसके बाद करो। समझ में आ गया? You were, why did you then submit 30 minutes ahead in time? Why were you basically submitted the exam 30 minutes before, right? And you know you are a careless queen, right? तो क्या बोलते हैं, देन व्हाई डिड यू डू इट? गलती तो तुम्हारी है। अगली बार ऐसा मत करो। यूज द होल टाइम। घर पे जाके क्या किया? 2 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा सोई क्या? नहीं ना। एग्जाम देते वक्त हमेशा पूरा का पूरा फोकस एग्जाम पे होना चाहिए। और यू शुड डू फास्ट ऑब्वियसली, बट यू शुड ऑल्सो चेक योर आंसर्स। आंसर्स चेक नहीं किए थे, 20 नंबर गलत हो गए। अगला क्वेश्चन नंबर 15। सिंप्लीफाई Simplify 6 cubed multiplied by 12 squared multiplied by 9 upon 18 squared multiplied by 24. Okay, so it's a very easy question. देखो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, 6 क्यूब को हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? हाँ हाँ, नहीं, यही तो गलती की तुमने। 6 क्यूब को कैसे लिख सकते हो तुम? यू कैन आइदर राइट इट एज 6 into 6 into 6 into 12 into 12 into 9 upon 18 into 18 into 24. 12 2s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 9 cut gaya. So 2 6 are 12. Answer is 36. How much time did it take me? How much time? Understood how to do it? Agla. Find the value of x. Question number 16. Find the value of x. 5 upon 7, the whole to the power 2x minus 1 divided by तुम्हारा 5 upon 7, the whole to the power of 3 is equal to 5 upon 7, the whole to the power of minus 4. ठीक है? सो कैसे करोगे? सारे के सारे बेसिस सेम है। 5 to the power of, हाँ, very good, 2x minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 7 the whole to the power of minus 4. So दोनों के लेफ्ट साइड LHS और RHS को कंपेयर करो। 2x minus 4 should be equal to minus 4. Okay, 2x minus 4 should be equal to minus 4. Therefore 2x is equal to, आंसर क्या है x का तुम्हारा? Yes. So 2x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 upon 2 is equal to 0. Clear? सही है। अगला 17th. By what number should by what number should minus 3 upon 4 the whole to the power minus 2 be multiplied so that the product is 3 to the power of minus 2. Product क्या है हमारा? 3 to the power minus 2. By what number should minus 3 upon 4 the whole to the power minus 2 be multiplied so that the product is 3 to the power minus 2? So minus 3 upon 4 the whole to the power minus 2 multiplied by x is equal to 3 to the power minus 2. Very good. So इसको हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Minus 3 the to the power of minus 2 upon 4 to the power of minus 2 multiplied by x is equal to 3 to the power of minus 2. किया था ये? मैं अब ये किया था क्या बताओ? 4 upon 3 the whole to the power of 2 लिखा था? नहीं, ये भी नहीं किया। x is equal to 3 is equal to तुम्हारा 1 upon 3 square, ये क्या था? माइनस को नो 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 नो, ये गलती की। ये एटलीस्ट माइनस हटा देती तुम। सो क्या मिलता है देखो यहाँ पे। सो व्हाट इज माइनस के ऊपर स्क्वायर है तो इट बिकम प्लस। सो 4 स्क्वायर इज हाउ मच? व्हाट इज 4 स्क्वायर रीच? अपॉन 3 स्क्वायर इज मल्टीप्लाइड एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1/9। सो एक्स की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर रहा है एक्स के साथ, तो वो तो वहां पे जाएगा तो मल्टीप्लाई कर देगा। यहाँ पे 16 और एक्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो वहां पे जाके डिवाइड हो जाएंगे। खत्म। यू डिड समथिंग रियली टेरेबल, राइट? व्हाट डिड यू गेट? दैट इज करेक्ट रे बेवकूफ। What is 4 to the power minus 2? 1 upon 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 1 upon 16. You are also correct. Oh my god. अगला 18 section D तुम्हारा 18th. Find the value of x and y such that find the value of x and y such that 5 to the power of x is equal to 125 and 7 to the power of y is equal to 1 upon 343. Hence, evaluate x minus y the whole to the power of x plus y. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? Okay, so find the value of x and y. We know that 5 to the power x is equal to 125. ये बच्चों का खेल है ना? What is क्या होना चाहिए? x की वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए? 5 cubed is 125. x is equal to 3. 7 to the power y is equal to 1 upon 343. What is 343? नहीं, ऐसे लिखो, एक सीक्वेंस में जाओ। 7 to the power of y is equal to 1 upon 7 cube is equal to 7 to the power of minus 3. ऐसे जाना है तुम्हें। You have to show your work rate. So y की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? -3। ठीक है। So what is x plus y into x minus y? x minus y into x plus y पूछा है तुमसे। Evaluate x is equal to हमें पता है 3, y को हमें पता है -3। ठीक है। So x minus y is equal to how much? 3 minus -3 is equal to x. 3 minus of -3 is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. x plus y की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? 0. So 1, obviously x to the x minus y the whole to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Therefore the answer is 1. समझ में आ गया? Any doubts? आगे बढ़ते हैं। सेक्शन ई। हाँ, a king distributes his gold. A king distributes his gold coins to his 3 ministers. Each minister receives 3 large chests. Okay, a king distributes his gold coins to his 3 ministers. 3 अलग-अलग ministers को दे रहा है 19th में। ठीक है, ये है हमारा केस बेस्ड। So king is giving gold to what? His gold coins to 3 ministers. यहाँ पे एक मिनिस्टर है, यहाँ पे एक मिनिस्टर है, यहाँ पे एक मिनिस्टर है। Each minister receives 3 large chests. Chest, 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 chest. Okay, 3 large chests. Each chest contains 3 medium sized boxes. ठीक है, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. These are what? Medium sized boxes. Okay. Hmm? Each contains 3 medium sized boxes. Okay. Now, each medium sized box contains 3 small pouches. Okay. So, यहाँ पे तुम्हें क्या बोलते हैं? If you have 1 2 3, तो you are having 9 pouch here, 9 pouch here. हर बॉक्स के अंदर 3 पाउच है. ठीक है, तो 1 2 3, 3 बॉक्स थे, तो 3 बॉक्स के अंदर कितने पाउच हो जाएंगे? 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9. ओके. फिर क्या है हमारे पास? And each small pouch contains 3 gold coins. So, कितने पाउच थे उस तुम्हारे पास? एक चेस्ट के अंदर 9 पाउच, 3 बॉक्सेस थे, 3 बॉक्सेस के अंदर 9 पाउचेस थे. 9 पाउचेस के अंदर कितने कॉइन्स होंगे? इफ 1 पाउच कंटेन्स 3 कॉइन्स, so 9 pouches will contain 27 27 27 27 27 27 27 27 27. Because of myself, I got it. It's not 27. 27 is not the complete answer. Na, read. Getting close to it. So, the king asks his ministers to calculate the total number of gold, but they must use exponential notations to present their answer. Okay. So, read. यहाँ पे देखो 27 27 27 27 27 27 27 27 27. So, this is 9 into 27. This will become what? 3 squared multiplied by 3 cubed 3 to the power of 5. कितने लेवल्स थे देखो? सबसे पहला लेवल, दिस वाज 3 to the power of 1. दूसरा लेवल तुम्हारा 3 to the power of 2, 9 है. तीसरा लेवल क्या था? बॉक्सेस, 3 to the power of 3, 27 बॉक्सेस थे, 3 9 से 27. फोर्थ लेवल क्या था तुम्हारे पास? पाउचेस, 3 to the power 4, 81 पाउचेस थे, 9 9 से 81. और फिफ्थ लेवल में तुम्हारे पास क्या है? 3 to the power of 5. दिस इज 3 to the power of 0. हर एक लेवल पे तुम्हारा ऐसा होता है. मैंने बताया कैसे करते हैं इसे. हाँ. सो तुम्हारे पास 3 to the power 0 पहला लेवल, दैट इज राजा का लेवल. 3 to the power 1 is, व्हाई डिड यू टर्न ऑफ द एसी? एसी ऑन करो. रीट. 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 5. ठीक है. ओके. सो द टोटल नंबर ऑफ गोल्ड कॉइंस इज हाउ मच? 3 to the power 5 गोल्ड कॉइंस आर देयर. आगे बढ़े. ओके. Express the number of gold coins each minister received in the exponential form. एक मिनिस्टर को कितने गोल्ड कॉइन्स मिल रहे हैं? अलग अलग तरीके से. सो पहला क्या है? द किंग मस्ट आंसर. तो पहला है तुम्हारा, एक्सप्रेस द नंबर ऑफ गोल्ड कॉइन्स ईच मिनिस्टर रिसीव्स. तुम्हारा जो हर एक मिनिस्टर है, कितने गोल्ड कॉइन्स रिसीव कर रहा है? हाँ, अरे रीत. 27 प्लस 27 प्लस 27 ना, एक मिनिस्टर के पास कितने गोल्ड कॉइन्स है? यहाँ पे देखो. हाँ, 27 प्लस 27 प्लस 27 इज हाउ मच? Oh, 27 is 3. 81. He is receiving 81 gold coins. Okay. So, सबसे पहले का आंसर क्या है? Each minister is receiving 27 plus 27 plus 27 is equal to 81 gold. गलत हो गया था ना ये? हाँ. अगला, how many gold coins were distributed in total by the king? 81 plus 81 plus 81, 243. Number 2, the king distributed a total of how much? 243 gold coins, that is 81 plus 81 plus 81. Okay, he basically got 243 gold coins. If the number of ministers were 4 instead of 3, and the number of chests, boxes, pouches, and coins per pouch were the same, how many total coins would have been distributed? Express your answer in the exponential form. सबसे पहले मैं एक लॉजिकल तरीके से बताता हूँ. ये है राजा, किंग, ठीक है. हाउ मेनी टोटल गोल्ड कॉइन्स वुड हैव बीन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड? सो तुम्हारे पास क्या है? मिनिस्टर, मिनिस्टर, मिनिस्टर. एवरी सिंगल मिनिस्टर इज रिसीविंग हाउ मेनी चेस्ट? 3 चेस्ट. एक और मिनिस्टर आ गया तुम्हारे पास. सो ही इज रिसीविंग 3 चेस्ट, 3 चेस्ट, 3 चेस्ट, 3 चेस्ट. और हर एक चेस्ट के अंदर कितने बॉक्सेस है? 3 boxes. So one chest contains 3 boxes, therefore 3 chests will contain. If one chest contains 3 boxes, 3 chests will contain 9 boxes. So 9 boxes, 9 boxes, 9 boxes, 9 boxes. 9 boxes, 9 boxes, 9 boxes and 9 boxes. एक सेकंड रुको. तुम्हारे 9 boxes है. 9 boxes के बाद तुम्हारे पास क्या है? 27. एक सेकंड रुको. आई थिंक आई मेड अ मिस्टेक समवेयर. या फिर मैं क्वेश्चन को गलत से पढ़ रहा हूँ क्या? Each chest contains 3 medium-sized boxes. Each box contains 3 pouches. Ministers, 3 chests. The king has 4 ministers. Each minister received 3 chests. यहाँ तक तो सही है मेरा. Received 3 chests. And each chest had 3. Yeah, I'm correct. ठीक है. 9 boxes. 9 boxes contained how many pouches? ठीक है. If one box contained 3 pouches, therefore 9 boxes contained 27 pouches. 27p, 27p and 27p pouches. One pouch contains how many gold coins? 3 gold coins. So 27 pouches will contain 27 into 3 are, what is 20 into 3? What is 7 into 3? So 60 plus 21 is how much? What is 60 plus 20? 60 plus 20, 91. 60 plus 20 is how much? 80 plus 1 is 81. So 81 gold, 81 gold, 81 gold, 81 gold. So how much gold? I don't know. Huh? You have to slow yourself down. You have to slow yourself down enough to think, but not be too slow. ठीक है. 81 गोल्ड, 81 गोल्ड, 81 गोल्ड और 81 गोल्ड हो गया तुम्हारे पास. ठीक है. सो राजा ने कितना सोना खर्च किया? 81 into 4. 8 4 the 32. 3 2 4. The Raja spent 342 gold coins on these 4 ministers. अगला, यहां पे भी क्या हो रहा है? यू आर हैविंग द सेम नंबर ऑफ लेवल्स, है ना? सेम नंबर ऑफ लेवल्स तुम्हारे निकल के आ रहे हैं. नाउ हाउ वुड यू एक्सप्रेस दिस इन एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म? 81 can be expressed as what? 3 to the power 4 into 2 squared. 3 to the power 4 is 81 and 2 squared is 4. Okay, अगला. The king takes back a portion of the total coins equal to 3 to the power of 4. What is the number of coins remaining with the ministers? Express your answer in the form of an exponent. The king takes a portion of the total coins, back a portion of the total coins equal to 3 to the power of 4. Okay, 3 to the power of 4 means what? So he basically had how much? This is the third part. Okay, this is the fourth part. Okay, so the king takes back a portion of the total number of coins equal to 3 to the power 4. The king had given initially how much? 3 to the power 5 gold. Okay. Hmm? Now he's taking back 3 to the power of 4. How will you solve this? Will you keep on adding, subtracting? नहीं. इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं पता है? 3 to the power of 5 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे रखो, सबसे पहले एक लाइन अलग से लाइन लिखता हूँ. 3 to the power of 5 can be written as 3 into 3 to the power of 4, right? Same thing. So 3 into 3 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4. इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन है? So can I take the 3 to the power 4 out? 3 minus 1. So what will I get? 3 to the power of 4. 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. So 2 to the power 1 multiplied by 3 to the power 4 coins is still remaining with the ministers. Because the king only took 3 to the power 4, the people still have 3 to the power 4 gold coins left. 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 gold coins are still left. Understood? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now, the case base number 20. Question 20. Now, a new virus strain is discovered that infects people at an alarming rate. Initially, there is only one person infected on day 0. The number of infected people double every day. This is also the same question. Drop wala hi question hai. Day 1, day 1 double, right? Day 2 to the power 1 हो जाएगा. Yes. The number of people infected double every day. The government wants to track the spread of viruses using exponential notation to manage resources efficiently. Write the number of people infected at the end of day 5. Day 5 में कितना हो जाएगा? Exponent form में ही लिखना है. The number of people infected in day 5 will be how much? 2 to the power of 5. Number 2. Tumhara. On which day will the number of people infected reach 256? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Yes, 2 to the power of 8. On the 8th day, that is 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256 on the 8th day. Okay? Third, if the number of infected people tripled every day instead of doubling, how many people would be infected at the end of day 3? 9. Hey, day 3 रीत पहले डे में क्या हो जाएगा? 3 to the power of 1. दूसरे डे में क्या हो जाएगा? 3 to the power of 2. तीसरे डे में क्या हो जाएगा? एक सेकंड रुको, एक सेकंड रुको. If the number of infected people tripled every day instead of doubled, oh, you started with only 3 people, 1 person. Okay, so day 0 is how what? 3 to the power of 0, only 1 person infected. Day 1 you have 3 to the power 1. Again, still your answer is wrong. Day 2 is 3 square is equal to 9. Day 3 is equal to 3 cube is equal to 327. Sir, do you want to know something so funny? I forgot to write day 1. That's why. Very good. Very good. मतलब क्या बोलते हैं? I मैं बोल रहा हूँ रीत, you are a careless queen. Express your answers in the exponential form. अगला fourth one. The number of infected per people after X days can be represented by 2 to the power of X. What is the ratio of the number of infected people on the 8th day to the 4th day? So, on the 8th day, the number of infected people will become how much? Number of infected people is equal to how much? 2 to the power of 8 on the 4th day is equal to 2 to the power of 4. So what is the ratio? Day 8 upon day 4 is equal to 2 की power 8 upon 2 की power 4. 2 की power 8 minus 4. 2 की power 4. Understood? So this is how we were supposed to solve the question paper. It took me exactly kitna 55 minutes. 55 minutes to completely decimate this paper. Okay, अगर मैं तुम्हारे यहाँ पे होता ना, I seriously feel कि क्या बोलते 8th class में all I had to do was switch our minds and I would have finished this paper in exactly 55 minutes and सबके सामने ये लो करके मैं देता. But we can't, so that's a problem. Okay, so I hope you really like this video. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए. मेरे इस चैनल में हम लोग अलग अलग क्वेश्चन पेपर्स मैं मेरे स्टूडेंट से करवाता हूं और अलग अलग क्वेश्चन पेपर्स का सॉल्यूशंस भी मैं आपको लाइव दिखाता हूं. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज और भी बहुत सारे बच्चों को बताइए. ठीक है, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं मेरे चैनल को. आप अपने क्या बोलते हैं पेरेंट्स के साथ, पेरेंट्स अपने अलग अलग दोस्तों के साथ सेंड कर सकते हैं. एंड प्लीज हेल्प मी ग्रो. ठीक है, सो अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं और टेक केयर. चलो बाय.